This is the national highway that I'm riding today. It's NH102B. It goes from Mizoram to Manipur. Here comes Viv. It's quite fun, to say the least. Sunny day, clear skies, and we're riding above the clouds. This is just gorgeous. Let's do this.
We'd always expected for our journey from Mizoram to Manipur to be adventurous, but I don't think any of us could have imagined just what all lay in store. Soon after we'd descended through the layer of clouds below Aizawl, we were engulfed by clouds of a very different kind.
Where am I going? This reminds me of the sand bowls of Sarchu. Whoa, this is just... और कैसे चल रहा है राइड?
बस सर बढ़िया।
बढ़िया एकदम। आपका मुंह का कलर तो चेंज हो गया।
कोई नहीं सर, रास्ता ही ऐसा है तो उसको क्रॉस करके जा रहा है तो मुंह का कलर चेंज होना तो ऑलरेडी। आई एम अंडरगोइंग अ नेचुरल फेस वॉश।
It's called mud pack. Mud pack is a genuine treatment. You know that, no? It's good for your skin.
Yes.
Into the storm we go. Momentum. Always. Doc, what do you think?
Heaven.
Absolutely beautiful. I mean, can you believe we were in the plains? Like less than a day ago, we were in the plains. And then we just climbed up, went up into some crazy hills, into a valley. We were above the clouds, and then we went through the clouds, below the clouds, and now we're again.
The broken and narrow routes made progress very slow. With nearly 400 kilometers to cover in a single day, the task at hand began to seem quite daunting. But instead of fretting about how things might play out, we all chose to focus on enjoying the challenge at hand. And of course, the ride too.
सेंटर से जाएंगे हम नाडू सेंटर, है जैसे इन तमिलनाडु। नाडू सेंटर ब्रो।
This bridge
Huh?
is the border between Mizoram
And Manipur.
and Manipur.
Manipur, yes.
So we came from
Mizoram.
Mizoram.
Now I am going to Manipur.
We are going to
We
Manipur.
are going to Manipur.
Yes. You are always first, but
Yes, I am first. Always first.
this is state number.
Third. This is the third district.
This is the fourth state, but we're going to go to the third capital, I think.
Yes.
Right. I think it must be around 3:30 or 4 o'clock, and the sun is already setting, which means it's going to get dark very soon, and we have over 100 kilometers left to do. As you can see, the highway in Manipur is still under construction, so there's going to be the combination of broken roads, sand, darkness, so on and so forth. This is the bridge that's broken. Oh wow. We are still on our way to the destination in Manipur. This bridge that I'm standing on is actually broken towards the end. It can take light vehicles, so the bikes and 1 or 2 cars could go through, but the rest of our support vehicles are stuck on this side of the bridge. It's only 5 o'clock, but it feels like midnight, and now we're gonna have to take all of our bags, carry them across the bridge. Fortunately, we have a team that will take the luggage from there, but apparently we have another 6 to 7 hours of riding, because it's only 5 p.m. but it feels like midnight. It's crazy. Total adventure. Can you believe that this is just 5:30 in the evening? Can you believe it? It's just unreal. We've really slowed down the pace now, and everybody's riding in convoy. Everybody's just going to move in a convoy, and the aim is to get to our halt for the night safely.
As a dream through the faded some faint memory on a silver sea.
अच्छा, और कितना दूर जाना है?
हाँ जी, 50 किलोमीटर ओनली.
चलो, let's go.
हाँ, चलो.
Pull you into the water till we come out clean. Things left in the dark are none of what they seem. Hush now, the dawn may be listening. Pull you into the water till we come out clean.
Congratulations. Well done. और किसी तरह से, अरे यार इनको देखो, पूरा मिट्टी. आपको क्या हो गया? हाँ? This is the state of affairs at the end of day 3. Ridiculously dusty road. This bag used to be green, so it's not just me. I mean, of course, I've been exposed to the elements, but even the luggage, suitcase, my jacket, look at my helmet, look at the GoPro, dude. I'm just glad we got here safely. And from what I hear, there's no point in
dusting and cleaning it all up, because tomorrow, at least 2.5 hours, is going to be the same thing. So I think once we get past it all, actually I think at the end of the ride, we'll dust it all and clean it up. For now I just need a shower, hot shower.
I eat only two things.
इसके बीच में है
आलू पराठा
हाँ सब
और पराठा with आलू.
अच्छा ये सारे पराठे हैं सब
If you want to have rice, we have rice also. नहीं, I love पराठा.